2021 Honda CB315RS is a motorcycle manufactured and sold in India. It's also a new model of CB315 Highnet released in 2020. The engine power is almost the same, only the shape of the shift lever is different, but new and old models are reciprocating 5-speed. The new models is equipped with a dust-proof rubber cover on the front shock absorber. The direction light has also been changed to stripes. The sun are LED lamps. The front and the rear fenders are painted by electro-painting, changed to matte black, make clean and motorcycle washing are creamed. Indian Honda Depot releases the new Honda CB350RS. I believe that any other batch of the shallow customer will be department the kind of feeling that like retro motorcycles. I don't want to look too old-fashioned. It also has function of light outdoor off-road. This CB350RS can meet it. This demand price is only $500 higher than older models. The headlight shell also increases the shape. There is a long black darker strip. This part of change makes the whole become very textured. The new model was launched in yellow and red. The plan of the fuel tank of the two motorcycles is completely different. Friends who plan to buy may be a little trouble. I think the right fuel tank. The sticker on the fuel filler is very nice. This part of the yellow fuel tank is blank, so the sign of the yellow fuel tank, coupled with the ship sticker of the rear fuel filler, that's perfect. It will be even better if you can buy first anniversary sticker. However, the weight reduction is real late to the rear wheel. Begin change from 18 inches to 17 inches. The weight is also increased to 115 mm. The front wheel is 19 inches like the older models. The new tread pattern is changed to the tread pattern commonly used by adventure models, similar to the BMW G310 GS. Exhaust pipe and seat cushion shape. This is the biggest feature of the new model. Comfortable cushion which are more personalized appearance. The height of the seat cushion is the same as 800 mm. All black exhaust pipe which electro-painted anti-scalding cover. The exhaust pipe have the multiple angle, in addition to the appearance of more sense of speed. I found that some weight were significantly different after riding. After reaching the engine speed, the rear sound is more compact. I like the action sound like this. Indian motorcycle manufacturers are also very careful in small places. Foot lever on the right side of the rear seat. Also a stepper for the heel. Avoid blowing the salt from the touchlet exhaust pipe. The older straight exhaust pipe doesn't have this problem. The new models also added an engine front fender. Of course, old motorcycle owner can also buy and install them. The handle of the new models is also replaced with a roller height style. The wrist part of the motorcycle is replaced with a similar one to the CB300 part. Hidden in the seat console LED, horizontal tail light pencil. The old monotone black wrist handle changed to a head handle can buy with the rear of the motorcycle, painted in the same color as the rear fender. Modified the shape of the wrist of the motorcycle to be more concise. The weight of the motorcycle has also been reduced from 181 kg of the old model to 179 kg. Do you like to ride a motorcycle? Remember to subscribe my videos. The next episode will shape the reading experience of CB350RS. Bye bye.